Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover Roblox account without email or phone number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're trying to recover your Roblox account but don't have access to the email or phone number linked to it, don't worry. There's still a way to get back in. I'll walk you through the steps to recover your account without using your email or phone number. Now, if you open up the Roblox app and try to sign in, you might see a message saying incorrect username or password. Normally, you could tap on Forgot Password or Username, but that method requires access to your email or phone number to receive a recovery code. If you don't have access to either, there's a second option you can try. Open a web browser on any device, whether it's an iPhone, Android phone, or a computer, and go to roblox.com/support. Once you're on the support page, you'll be asked to fill in some basic information. Enter your Roblox username. For example, mine is Professor0314. Then type in your first name, I'll use mine as an example, and enter your current email address. This should be an email you do have access to, even if it's not the one originally linked to your Roblox account. This is the email address Roblox will use to contact you about your account recovery. Next, you'll select the device you're using. In my case, I'll choose iPhone. Then under Type of Help, choose Account Hacked or Can't Log In, and in the specific issue, pick Forgot Password. Now comes the most important part, the description. This is where you'll explain your issue in detail. You could write something like, "Hi, I can't log into my account. I used to have access to the email or phone number, but now I've lost it. Can you help me log in? Thanks." Use your real name at the end. Once you've completed this step, tap Continue. You may be asked to verify that you're human. To do that, tap Start Puzzle and follow the instructions. In this case, you might be asked to rotate an object or face to match the direction of a hand. Use the arrows to rotate, then hit Submit. If you don't get it right on the first try, just try again until it says Verification Complete. After that, you'll see a message that says your request has been received. Check your email for a message from Roblox customer support. They'll help you recover access to your account, even if you don't have the original email or phone number linked to it. So that's basically how you can recover Roblox account without email or phone number. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.